I received such a nice gift from you that made me change my thoughts, because I am practicing in such a era that PCOD is most common problem for me in treating my patients. So more to more, you take the decision to live naturally. Use the maximum your products, which products means the grains and what are available in your area, and use it as a raw food. Use don't use processed food. It's very important to tell this new generation, new people, new young generation. It is very difficult to how to teach them, but this class provides me that thoughts how to tell them and guide me properly. And like my all thoughts are like Vidya madam only, because I'm also facing the problems like same in her manner. And when I started to listening this course, I changed now, and I'm going to the maximum. My thoughts are going to living naturally and with taking all raw foods, making minimum processed food. And what we in our culture we used to talk that we have to eat rice, chapati, vegetables, fruits at a same manner. That is something is a new concept for me, and it's very useful for me and my patients also. And thank you, Prashanti and Dr. Asha. I'm thankful to both of you. Thank you.